Welcome. In this video, we will discuss the power of IT/OT convergence in manufacturing with the unified namespace. In many traditional factories, information technology, which is often associated with business systems like your ERP, operates independently from the OT operations technology, which is associated with the real-time machine control. This divide results in inconsistent data, delayed insights, and the lack of smart decision-making. The idea of IT/OT convergence is to seamlessly integrate data from these historically disparate domains. When that happens, it then allows you to be able to address data use cases such as optimizing production scheduling, minimizing downtime, and reacting to quality issues in real time. But how do we bring all the data into that one common format for both OT and IT? This is where the unified namespace comes in. Unified namespace is a data framework, a data management framework that allows you to collect data from both OT and IT and present it in a consistent, unified format using a standard communication interface. Essentially, it is a single source of truth, unlike the traditional point-to-point data integrations that create data silos. So the unified namespace breaks down data silos and creates that one unified view that is accessible to both OT and IT using that standardized interface. Now, once OT and IT have got this unified view, it means they're sharing data using the same information model. And when that happens, it means that integration of OT and IT systems is simplified because all these domains consume and share the information the same way, which then allows you to be able to build data-driven applications. It then brings in enterprise-wide visibility that enables agility and resilience in your IIoT solutions. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.